Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 2, Health and Diseases, Part 2. Dear students, in last part, we discussed about what is the health and what is diseases. In last part, we learned the different types of diseases. There are two diseases: communicable diseases, means infectious diseases, and non-infectious diseases. Then what is the infectious diseases? The diseases which spread through contaminated water, air, and food, or vectors like insect and other animals, are called as infectious or communicable diseases. In this part, we learn about some infectious diseases like tuberculosis, hepatitis, dysentery, cholera, and typhoid. In your book, on page number 7, a chart is given to you. You must look at this chart. In this chart, the mode of infection of various diseases, their symptoms, and their treatments are given. Now we learn the first disease, that is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Then, what is the mode of infection of this disease? How this disease is spread? Then, the spitting of patient. It can be spread by spitting of the patient. Number 2, it can be spread through air. Number 3, it can be spread by prolonged contact with infectious person. And number 5, it can be caused by sharing the materials or objects of the patient. These are the mode of infection of this disease. Now we see the symptoms of tuberculosis. What are the symptoms of tuberculosis? Number 1, the chronic cough. Last long cough is the main symptom of this disease. Number 2, emaciation. Loss in appetite is the another symptom of this disease. And number 3, weight loss is also a symptom of this disease. And number 4, difficulty in breathing. The patient cannot breathe properly is the another prominent symptom of this disease. Now we learn what are the prevention and treatment of this disease. BCG vaccination is the prevention against this disease. Number 2, isolation of the patient is the another preventive measure against this disease. And number 3, the dot of medical treatment which is provided by government freely must be complete continuously, and by using this dot medication or medical treatment the person can be cured completely. This is all about the tuberculosis. Now we learn about second disease, that is hepatitis. How it can be spread? What are the vectors of these diseases? The hepatitis is caused by hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, and hepatitis E type of viruses. Then what are the modes of infection of this disease? This disease can be spread by contaminated food and water. Number 2, this disease is spread by sharing the needles. And number 3, this disease is spread by blood transfusion. These are the mode of infection of hepatitis. Now we learn about the symptoms of hepatitis. Number 1, anorexia, the loss in appetite. Number 2, the yellow urine, nausea, general weakness, and grey color stool. Grey stool is the symptom of this disease. Then what are the prevention and treatment of this disease? Number 1, always drink boiled water. Always eat fresh food. Do not eat outside food. By doing this activity, we stay away from this disease. Okay. Now we learn about third disease, dysentery. It is also called as diarrhea. Dysentery is caused by Shigella bacillus bacteria, or it may also caused by Entamoeba histolytica, which is a protozoa. Then what are the modes of infection of dysentery? Contaminated water and contaminated food is the mode of infection of this disease. Then what are the symptoms of dysentery? Watery stool and pains in abdomen is the main symptoms of this disease. What are the symptoms of dysentery? Watery stool and pain in abdomen are the prominent symptoms of this disease. Then what are the preventions and treatment for that disease, for this disease? As these diseases are spread through contaminated water and contaminated food, hence it is necessary to drink always boiled and filter water. Number 2, always eat fresh food. You must cover your food properly. By using these practices, we can prevent this disease. Now, we are going further. Now we learn about cholera. What are the mode of infection, symptoms, and prevention and treatment of this disease? Cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae bacteria. Then, what is the mode of infection of cholera? Then, contaminated water and contaminated food are the mode of infection of this disease. What are the symptoms of cholera? Vomiting, then watery stool, diarrhea, and cramps in the leg are the symptoms of this disease. Watery stool, diarrhea, pain in abdomen are the and cramps in legs are the symptoms of this disease. Then what are the preventive measures and treatment of this disease? Number 1, by following personal hygiene, we can prevent this disease. Always wash your hand before and after using the toilets. You must do vaccination for cholera. Now learn about the last disease, fifth disease, typhoid. Typhoid disease is caused by Salmonella typhi, and it is spread through contaminated water and contaminated food. What are the symptoms of this disease? Anorexia, loss in appetite. Number 2, headache, rashes on the abdomen, nausea, vomiting are also the symptoms of this disease, and fever up to 103 and 104 degree Fahrenheit temperature are the prominent symptoms of this disease. Now, what are the preventive measures and treatment for that disease? Drinking boiled water, following personal hygiene, and by washing hands before and after using toilets, and vaccination. By vaccination, we can prevent this disease.